Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made $85 in just 24 hours with Teespring and print on demand. But first I have to say, I keep talking about following big trends, following big events, following big holidays. And for some reason, many of you are not listening to me. In my previous videos, I showed you that works. I'm doing exactly the same things and I'm making sales, I'm making money. So this works. But for some reason, many of you are not listening to me. And I don't know why. Because this works. And it doesn't matter that competition is big, it's strong. You will still make sales because this method works. Trust me. And it is March currently, and it is International Women's Day. It is spring break in every month. There is at least 2 or 3 big holidays or big events that you can follow, that you need to create designs about that holiday. T-shirts, mugs, hats, or whatever. And trust me, you will make sales because, like I said, this method works. And now it's March, next month it is Easter, after that it is Veterans Day, after that it is American Independence Day, and so on and so on. In every month there is at least 2 or 3 big holidays that you can use to promote your t-shirt. And this works not just on print on demand, you can use it to promote your own products, affiliate products, and so on and so on. This works. And if you don't know in every month what big holiday is that month, you can simply go on a website called National Day, and here you can choose the month, February, March, April, and so on and so on. And here you can choose day. When I click here on 8, March 8, here you can see National Organize Your Home Office Day. Okay, and when you scroll here, you will see International Women's Day. And here you can see May, you can see March 9, 10, and so on and so on. And when I click here on April, I will see days for April, and so on and so on. So you can find at least 2 or 3 important days in every month that you can use to promote your t-shirts, your mugs, your hat, or whatever you are doing. And that is exactly what I did. It is March, and in March it is spring break. And spring break is a big event. So what I did, I actually designed a t-shirt related to spring break. And I know that men are buying funny spring break related t-shirt, and that is exactly what I did. I designed funny spring break related t-shirt. So what I did, I actually went on Instagram and I found men-related Instagram pages. And this is one of the pages that I found, and as you can see here, they have 177,000 followers. And I checked engagement on their page, and they actually have a good engagement. So next thing I actually sent them a message asking them, do you accept paid posts on your page? They said yes. I asked, how much do you charge for a 24-hour post with the link in the bio? They said $40. I said, okay, send me demographic of your page. And they send me demographics, and as you can see, most of their followers are men. That makes sense because name of this page is Men's Corner. And that is exactly what I need because my t-shirt is a funny spring break related t-shirt. And the next thing you can see is that most of their followers are coming from United States. And that is really, really important. Why? Because spring break in Europe is not a big thing. Spring break in Australia is not a big thing. But spring break in United States is a big, big event. So that is exactly what I need. I need for most of the followers on that page to be from United States. So what I did next, I said fine, I paid them $40 and I sent them photo of my t-shirt, link to my store, and add copy. Okay, and this is a pro tip for you. You need to buy your own t-shirt and you need to make a photo of your own t-shirt. Now you don't need to show your face, you just need to show this part here. Just show your t-shirt. Trust me, this works really, really well because people like to see how the t-shirt actually looks in real life. And that will significantly increase your sales. Trust me, you need to make a photo of your t-shirt. And that is exactly what I did. And I told them to make a post at 1 p.m. East Coast time. Why East Coast? Because Miami is on East Coast. And Miami is a big center of spring break. And you need to know those details. You need to know Miami. You need to know college students. You need to know United States. You need to know those details because those details will determine will you make lots of sales or you will make no sales. You need to know that. And because I told them to make that post at 1 p.m., that means that actually dragged in 2 days. And this is one of my Teespring accounts. And when I actually choose here, let's say, for example, February 24 and February 28, and click here update, you will see this spike here, and here you will see I made 13 sales, and those 13 people actually made 15 orders, and I made $85. But I paid $40 to these guys here to make a post, so I actually made $45 of profit, which is actually really good, because it is $45 of profit with no work. So I will actually make much more money because I will continue promoting this t-shirt in other man-related Instagram pages, Facebook pages, Twitter pages, TikTok pages, and so on and so on. And this one t-shirt will make me more than $1,000 of profit in this month. And this is the point. I actually made this t-shirt a few years ago, and I promoted this t-shirt in 2019, 2020, 21, 22. I will promote it next year. So overall, this t-shirt will make me more than $10,000. And I'm actually doing this for years. And I'm following these big holidays, big trends, and I'm making lots of sales. I'm making lots of money with Teespring and print on demand by doing exactly this. And this works. As you can see, this works, and you need to do this. Okay? And for some reason, you are not doing this. You must do this. You must follow these trends. And like I said, you make these designs once, and you can use them every year because this is evergreen design. You can make money with this t-shirt every year, $1,000 every year from this one t-shirt. And I'm making every month thousands and thousands of dollars from t-shirts that I designed a few years ago. That is exactly what you need to do. But this is another tip for you. Like I said, I'm doing this for years. So I already have designs that works, that I know are works, and I already know my audience. So this is what you need to do. You need to make a designs, and you need to test those designs on smaller Instagram pages. And when you find a winning design that is selling, you need to go and find bigger, medium size or big Instagram pages and pay them to promote that design, that t-shirt, that hat, that mug, or whatever you designed. And trust me, if you made a design about some holiday or event, and you start promoting that design right about the time when that holiday is happening, trust me, you will start making sales. You will start making money with Teespring. It doesn't matter that competition is big and strong. You will still make sales. You will still make money. Trust me, this works. I'm doing this for years and I'm making money. This works. Please follow big trends, big holidays, and big events. So this is how you make money with Teespring and print on demand. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.